See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Who you follow talk like that?
No, don't do that.
Are you mad? How about the fucking boat? We are following talk. Off the boat, come on the boat, and bastard. Your boat don't come up for you.
Oh no, don't do that.
Oga, no say that they follow person talk. And they keep calm. Oga, sit down for them, drive this fucking boat.
No.
Think I'm very stupid.
No.
How much the fucking boat when they make noise? They follow, they insult everybody.
Don't make him crash. Don't make him crash.
Don't worry, don't worry, I'm gonna boat for Honda. Don't worry. Honda they go. How much the boat? You know, say I get money.
Alright, so you see, any man that make his fellow man feel less in front of a woman or in front of crowd is not a man, it's an animal. Any man, no matter the position you have, no matter the money you think you have, once you can make your fellow man that is hustling, feel less in front of a woman or in front of crowd, you are not a man and you'll never be a man. You think doing things like this make you big? You think doing this like this make the people that watch you or make the people around feel like, okay, you are strong, you have balls? You are not strong, you don't have no balls. This is what weak men do. This is what weak men do. I don't know how you were raised. I don't know which kind of money you get. But bro, just understand, say if you meet person for your hustle ground, you know if you treat them like this, that guy probably know if you respond to you because maybe you get money pass him, you get influence pass him, or maybe the guy so they did there, maybe they fit join and beat him. But understand, say something must fight you for this life where you come for that thing where you do that guy, unless you apologize. Now you go around saying you dey talk, how much be this boat? You fit buy boat. If you buy boat, now you know buy boat, you come there. I don't know how the whole thing started, but for you to carry your hand, they slap the guy, they hit him, and the guy no fit respond. Then you know say you no be man. Then you know say you no be man. You get money, I fit buy boat. How much be boat? How much be boat? How much be boat? You get today, no me say that person with this slap no go get again. And I always tell people, see, people they follow me waka, they'll tell you. When they don't reach where we go meet person where they do normal work. You know, I know they follow them, they talk anyhow, bro. I would rather give to you. In front of my friends or in front of people that have, I will make you feel like a human being. Do you understand? I'll make you feel like a human being. I personally, based on where me I grow and based on things that I don't see, there's a reason why instead make I show money. Do you understand? I'd rather use this money give people. I think at this point, I get enough to show off. To a level. Because some of these people, where we say they don't even get reach me, they show fake live online. Do you understand? They show fake live online. But the reason why I don't do things like that, do you understand? The reason why I don't do things like that is because I know that there are a lot of people where we say you go actually make them feel as if they know they make them or they know they do their best. Meanwhile, you yourself, when you can later get these things, not be because you do pass them, not be because you also pass them, not be because say your life better pass their own. It just be say the universe have a way it works. It just be say the universe have a way it works. Bro, I was sitting down, somebody say, I won't give you $50,000. Bro, that is fucking 75 million naira for dash. The other day I did, somebody dashed me 100 million naira. 100 million naira. This was before this. Somebody dashed me 100 million naira about almost more than a year now. Una know? Nobody know. How did I spend that money? The only thing I remember how that money take finish when I did Jaws. That time we say they buy people for Jaws. I come on 20 million. I buy rice, carry and go inside the village. Do this one, do that one for Jaws. That one pass. Then when we travel, I did Nigeria. One of my friend, something happened to them. I just say, okay, carry money, when I send. Then I remember saying we just do one or two charitable things here and there. Bro, that 100 million naira, that's so it take go. Then when I want to collect sample, when I wanted to buy sample of all these things I want to bring to Nigeria, I collect about 20 million again. I swear to God, I don't even know how that money take go. That's why I thought, say, me self get to show off at a particular. Recently, they gave me 75,000. They gave me $50,000 as dash. I could take that money, keep quiet, nobody go know, carry that money, just come online, come the show big, make every, but to what gain? What is the essence of that? I can never do that. The reason why is not because it is not good to show that, okay, very dark man, he done better pass where he did yesterday, he done the progress. Do you understand? But how about the people where we say they know the progress and they do pass you? Do you understand? I always think about how they will feel. Then let alone carry your hand to hit person where we say, if they hustle, if they walk, they come down for where they walk. You can't treat them like trash because you think you are better. They say, oh, very dark man, when you come out, oh, Baba, you spend money. Bro, in a day, sometimes, if I'm going out like 3 times, maybe I spend like probably 3 million naira. If I'm going out, I carry money, I borrow sometimes. I borrow money sometimes to go out. Because if I see all these people, when we say they do work, even though those people for airport, they too they beg. Do you understand? But I know that, take. I see soldiers, take. I see police, take. It's not to make myself look big, but because, guy, these people are going through something, right? Like, I'm not rich, but at least I'm better than the way I was. And obviously, I've got more money than the people where we say that they did the road when I did see. Randomly. You can ask C-Park. Randomly. We did go like, park, give this person. We stop for Lagos, then me and Bobby Uranta. We did go, oh, the girl, buy popo. Then the girl pulls up. She brought her popo and gave it to me. Open the popo. I just look the girl. I just carry bond to give the girl. Bobby was like, what? The girl won't crease. I'm not trying to advertise what I do. Or wait to say I be better person. No. What I'm trying to say is simple. Don't make these people feel less because you have more. It makes no sense. It doesn't make you feel powerful. It doesn't make you feel as if you're better. And lastly, they leave that guy and that man, they go big calm, enter ground. You go big calm, enter ground. You better be careful the way you treat people, honestly. You guys really need to be careful the way you treat people. Even if the person, always be nice to these people. Always be nice to them. Person don't get money, they struggle. You go still come work, they'll still abuse and they'll beat them. You could go back house. What do you want them to think? Oh, I need to try better. Whoever that guy is, I would advise you to go and apologize to that guy. You should apologize to him. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you go learn and you will learn the hard way.